So as we've talked about, we start every single unit with a new phenomena so that we can ask questions about it. And then that way, as we're learning, we are trying to figure out the answers to those questions. So this whole unit, or this whole concept of this unit, is about like different materials and what are they made of, and are things different? Why are things different? So today in this video, you're going to see two different phenomena, and then you are going to have an opportunity to ask questions about those things. And remember, we want to ask critical thinking questions and questions that we can try to figure out the answers to during our learning. So the first phenomena that we're going to look at is rock candy. So I'm going to read you this little story over here and then explain a little more. A candy maker was making rock candy for a child's birthday party. They were asked to create some sugar-free rock candy. The candy maker followed their regular recipe for the candy with sugar and then substituted Splenda for the sugar-free candy. The regular candy came out just fine, but the Splenda rock candy didn't form at all. So you can see here in this picture, you have regular rock candy and it's formed, and so that is the stuff that's made with sugar. So it formed just fine and it made rock candy. But then when the candy maker used Splenda, it did not form. So it did not turn out the way that the regular did. So that's the first phenomena. So now you're going to ask questions and maybe come up with some possible explanations on the Padlet. We'll get to that in a minute. Our second phenomena that we're going to try to solve during this learning over the next couple weeks is called the melting spoon. So I'm going to show you this video, and I want you to make observations and then start asking yourself some questions and thinking about what is going on. Okay, so now that you've seen both phenomena, the rock candy and the melting spoon, I hope you have lots of questions to ask and you want to know a lot of things and you have some ideas about things that we can try to figure out the answers to. So make sure that you go to the Padlet. It's linked in Google Classroom. And then you're going to add a post to write the questions that you have. And then you're going to add a post of your possible explanations. If you have any questions, let me know.